Battery power is probably the heart and soul of a walleye boat. We use it for so many things, starting that big engine, starting our kicker, power pole, all of our electronics, pumps. We need juice for a lot of things. So what's really nice is that PoleCharge came out with a new system called Charge that really takes care of all the maintenance of all of our batteries. Let me give you an example of my configuration. I've got 2 batteries in parallel to make a big 12-volt system basically as my starting batteries. Then I've got 3 batteries down in the bottom here that are actually used to run 36 volt to my trolling motor. So 5 total batteries. So the first cool thing is the charge unit, one box, can handle all 5 of those units. You don't need multiple chargers. The second thing is when you plug it in at home or out on the road, that it will actually send amperage to whatever batteries are lowest. So if your starting batteries are already nice and full because you made a long run home, it'll send most of the amperage up to your trolling motor batteries and vice versa. The second place that charge actually comes into play is when you're actually out running your boat. The new Mercury engines have these huge big new alternators, and so Charge is smart enough to use all that juice, not just to charge the starting batteries like most configurations do, but it'll actually say, hey, these starting batteries are already plenty full. I'm gonna draw some juice out of those starting batteries and send it down to the trolling motor batteries and keep them charged also. It doesn't take what they call surface voltage and just transfer it. It actually draws juice out of the starting batteries and sends it to the trolling batteries. It's also smart enough to know never to let that starting battery to get too low. So it's actually a smart charger. A couple different ways to see what's happening is, first of all, you can actually hitch the charge unit through the NMEA network up to your Lowrance units. Select this little side panel over here and you can see the status of your batteries. You can see where the charge is drawing juice down and maybe sending it to trolling motors, or sometimes it'll do the other way. You also have an app out there called the Seamonster Ramp. Again, you can see all that data in here, but you can also do things like configure the charger. You can slide this to give the trolling motor batteries more priority, or you can give the engine priority. So you've got some smart configurations that you can do with that app. The charge system, one box, handles everything in the boat, but even better, it's a smart charging system. Draws juice from where it's not needed so much and puts it to where it is needed to keep you fishing all day long.